Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite host, James. Today, we are going to dive in a sensational AI platform called Katalist. Katalist AI is an amazing AI platform that can generate consistency characters and also the scenes. So unlike any AI generators, you cannot control the consistency. Katalist allows you to build up one chapter after another. So creating AI videos in Katalist is kind of different, So first you create your script, then you build up your storyboard. With storyboard, you can add your characters to different scenarios. Alright, enough for the talking. Let's do some demonstration. Let's go!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Still think it's worth the burn?
We don't have a choice.
Hard to believe we're really out here.
I know, but we're not alone. Systems are holding steady.
Sorry, I didn't mean to bump you.
It's fine. Keep the coffee from hitting the filters, okay?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the grand AI show of my YouTube channel. This is James. Today, we're going to dive in a sensational AI platform called Katalist. Katalist is quite cool. I mean, all my friends keep telling me that I should cover Katalist. So today, here we are. Let's dive in this storyboard AI. So Katalist create virtual stories with consistency character and scenes using the storyboard. So Katalist is a storyboard AI which can help us to build the consistency of the characters and also the sceneries. That is so dope. I have been making AI videos from very beginning, like 3 years ago, and I make many AI movies. The biggest problem, the biggest challenge of the AI video is, when you're familiar with the main characters and in the next scene, they change their clothes and they change their faces. Well, it's basically ruin everything. So I've been keep finding a tool that can help me to build up the consistency of the characters and also the sceneries. So if you are people like me, you are very into AI videos, or if you are filmmakers, advertisers, or content creators, you're into AI videos very much, you should be using this Katalist. So let me tell you how to use it. Let's find out what is Katalist. So don't forget to check the link by yourself, katalist.ai. And basically, you can find out in this AI, you are able to build up the characters and reuse them in multiple sceneries. For example, I make this Michael guy, and I can make James room. So I can put this character in the room, talking to the sophisticated person. That is so cool, right? That's just something I've been dreamed of. But unfortunately, nowadays, even though the AI models develop very fast, but no one can do that. So let's see if the Katalist can fulfill my request, okay? So in order to use this tool, you need to build up your script, and you don't need to have any AI experience. You don't even need to know anything about the AI, and it's 4 times faster production time. And this is trusted by many big companies, of course. And it's really professional. Oh, cool. It doesn't prove anything. So let's dive in the website directly, okay? So let's click here, get started now. Let's see if the Katalist is really dope. Oh man, you can just sign in by Google account, which is very convenient. And here is our dashboard. We can find we have many cards, many bento cards. And here we can find we have 2 tabs. One is home, another is my project, which means all my projects that I created will be storage here. And beneath we have many small cards, for example, like this Dragon Rider POV. We're going to build up this video by this prompt, which is really good because when you have no idea what you're gonna create, you can use them. And when you click here, you have your own presets. Oh, really professional. And click here, you can create some animate, some cartoon, some commercial even. So if you have a product to promote in social media, you can use this to create a video. And you can even create a film. And also historical stories for kids, for music, for dashboards, YouTube shorts. Let's go into the movie session. A sci-fi trailer. Okay, it sounds very cool. Let's click here. So in fact, don't be fooled by me. You can actually build up your own story from here. Oh my god, I have so many friends very into writing. They are very good storyteller, and you can even upload your PDF or TXT file from here. If not, you can type in here. This is very convenient for the small writers, right? If you know any, please recommend this too. And let's use this prompt for example, right? And we have 15 scenes. You can reduce it or add it. So basically the prompt says we're creating an epic sci-fi cinematic trailer featuring high-tech space. Let's modify it a little bit, okay? So my story is not very special. It's very old-fashioned. Like a man and a young woman went to Mars together in a rocket spaceship from NASA. In the trip, they hate each other at first, but at the end of the journey, they fall in love and they land in Mars. And we're going to generate the script, okay? Oh my god, we have so complicated scripts. I think I'm gonna fall in love with this. If not, you can click here to add it. You can type anywhere, right? It's so easy. And if you're satisfied with it, just click the next. So now is a very important part where we're choosing the style. I choose this one. I want it to be a little ritual one. And also fall in love with this animation. But let's choose this one first. But I think I'm going with this one, animation. Love, death, and the robots. I think this is more like it. So let's use this one, right? And click proceed to cast. So now we have Grant and have Mina. When we click here, we are able to tweak it. You can tweak about the prompt, and also you can tweak about the voice from here, and you can tweak about the Mina, and click the create project. And now we have a pop-up showing like meet the chapters. So in fact, we are generating different chapters, and each of them can split, and we can drag and drop the different frames, which is good, right? And now we are generating the full images already. And to my surprise, is keep the consistency of the character. Check it out, this girl and this face. Oh my god! And we finally can make the consistency, and we are able to create a new frame even. And when you drag it, you can change the sequence of the video. And when you click here, new frame, and here we have 19 clips, and you're able to make a new chapter by click here, and you can type here. And now we're here. And when you move your cursor in between, you are able to add another frame, and you can click here, and you can type your script to generate, for example. And you can click here to generate. Yeah, simple as that. Oh my god, we already made it. Let's see how it looks like. Just click here. Oh my god, I gotta say this is epic.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All systems nominal. Let's keep it steady, team. She's on her way. You still think it's worth the burn?
We don't have a choice.
Hard to believe we're really out here.
I know, but we're not alone. Systems are holding steady.
Sorry, I didn't mean to bump you.
It's fine. Keep the coffee from hitting the filters, okay?
Stabilizers are maxed. We slip, we're shards.
Don't slip. I've got you.
We're too close. Those rocks won't clear us.
Trust me, I'll thread it. Status holding.
Stable. Oxygen levels are steady.
Hard to believe we're really here.
Grant, you actually made one?
Figured our rover deserved a tiny twin. Want to try it?
Really fast into this.
Only because you keep showing me
I
how.
like who you are up here.
Same. Hard to believe we're really here.
First steps together.
And also you can do even faster. You can click here, add the video or music, or you can click here, use the auto narration. Well, if you're satisfied with everything, just click here, export. And what I love about the Katalist is you can not only download the video, but also you can download all the images in the zip or even in Adobe Premiere Pro. Even you can add the PowerPoint project. Oh my god. So let's just download the video, and you can save your video as a template. So next time you can create the same style. That's so crazy, right? Go back to the homepage of the Katalist. You can find your project here. You can edit it anytime. I think I'm really falling in love with the Katalist thing. This is a so amazing platform. You can create the consistency character. It's easy to use. So let's make another, okay? And let's click the new project and generate from idea. This is an easier way to do it. So let's call it. Okay, this is my new idea. I want to create a retro US sitcom comedy show. And let's click the generate script. Okay, now we got our script. I think I fall in love with it. Just click the next. Now, I think I'm going with the 1950s and click the proceed to cast. Okay, so now we have some characters, James, Alpha, Beta, Gamma, and the driver. Okay, all right, let's create a project. Yeah, this is what I want to create. Okay, this is so dope, right? And click the generate all videos. This time, let's try video 3.1. Click the generate videos. Hey, you saw the result, right? It's quite amazing. With the Katalist, we can make a series of the AI videos and we can go viral easily. You can actually make AI TV shows and upload to TikTok or YouTube. I highly recommend you to discover this AI tool by yourself. And if you have any question, don't forget to leave me in the comment zone. I will reply you soon. Alright, so much for today. Hope you have fun. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye. Congratulations on watching to the end. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You won't miss out on more great contents. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.